family, welcome back to the channel. Thank you all for tuning in. So I'm here with this DIY conditioner. This conditioner, I use only 2 ingredients, and let me tell y'all, this conditioner is packed with a lot of vitamins. It also slows down hair loss, it strengthens your hair, it promotes hair growth. It has a lot of great benefits. All right family, let's move on with the process. So the first thing that I did was to wash off my aloe vera. Then I cut it up into pieces, and then after that I took off the pokey thing that you guys see there. I don't know what it's called, please forgive me, but yes, I took that off, and then I went ahead and washed it again. And now I'm just going to be scooping out my aloe vera gel into my strainer, and that's how I'm going to get my aloe vera juice. So that's the first thing I'm going to do for this conditioner. Alright family, here's my aloe vera juice. The next step here is to open up my coconut milk, and I'm going to be using a half cup of the coconut milk. Now that I have my coconut milk open, I'm going to measure a half cup of the coconut milk, and I'm going to add that to the aloe vera juice. After that, I'm going to go ahead and whisk both ingredients. I'm done whisking. I'm going to go ahead and put my conditioner into the bottle using my funnel. So family, this is how I was able to get this amazing conditioner. Like I said, this conditioner is packed in a lot of vitamins like vitamin C, vitamin E, vitamin B1, B3, B5, and B6. This conditioner also slows down hair loss. It promotes hair growth. It strengthens your hair. It has so much benefits to it. Now, yes, your girl, I'm going to go and wash my hair and condition it and add my aloe vera coconut milk conditioner. All right, y'all, continue washing. I just want to say welcome to all our new family members. You guys are welcome. We love to have you here, and this is a journey that we are all on. So let's embrace it and let's do it happily, okay? All right, and if you haven't yet joined us, please don't forget to smash that subscribe button. Like I said, we are on a mission to hit 1,000 family members within 2 months. So if you like what you see, please go ahead and smash that button. Love you all, and thank you so much for your love and your support. Let's keep watching. Short story here. So this is me. 5+ years ago, I was into wearing short hair. It was low maintenance. I just grabbed my stuff and out the door I went, and that's exactly what I wanted. So when I decided to grow my hair back, my expectations were the long, full, thicker hair I once had. That's exactly what I'm going to have. I was totally wrong. When I began to grow my hair back, I experienced baldness, loss of hair, thinning hair, all of that. And those I really wasn't expecting. So I began to use the store products. I bought stuff from Amazon, stuff from Walmart, Target, all of that, the trending stuff, all of that, and none of those worked. Then I started to make my homemade products. I decided to make my own stuff, and once I started to do that, now I am experiencing a thicker hair like you are seeing here. It's not 100% there, but I am grateful to where I am because where I was a couple of months ago, I do not want to go back there. I am so grateful for how far I have come with my hair. Like I said, I am not 100% there, but to where it is right now, I am grateful, y'all. I am so grateful. So thank you all for listening to my story, and I just wanted to share that today. Be encouraged and consistent with whatever that's working for you. I also saw my doctor just to make sure everything is okay internally. Please, family, if you're experiencing any sort of hair loss or baldness, please see your doctor just to make sure everything is okay within. All right, family, thank you for listening to my story. Keep watching. So now I'm shampooing my hair. The first thing I did during the take down process was to apply my rosemary oil to my hair while I took down my braids. That way I don't experience a lot of breakage. So after taking down my braids, I went ahead and I sprayed on my rosemary water, and then I went in with my conditioner. I'm sorry, y'all, with my shampoo. I went in with my shampoo, and then I added more rosemary oil to my shampoo. Like I said, I just didn't want to experience a lot of hair loss. I was being extra careful. So I've already washed my hair and I have conditioned it. Now it's time to apply my aloe vera and coconut milk conditioner. I'm done applying my aloe vera coconut milk conditioner. Now I'm going to let it stay on my hair for 45 minutes. And after 45 minutes, I'm going to rinse it out and let my hair air dry. All right, family, that's the end of today's video. Thank you all for your continuous love and your support. Thank you all for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, and share. See you all in the next one. Remain blessed.